If you're driving your truck and all of a sudden you start to hear a noise like this, come over here. Notice what I found wrong with this truck. Coolant hose is cut, and the reason it's cut, and the ka-ka noise, check out this fan blade. It's all broken. The reason it's broken is because the fan hub is loose. And the reason it's loose, let me take the fan clutch off and get you a closer look. Oh no, don't drop it. Check it out, they just replaced the radiator too. Notice the fan clutch also is damaged too. Well, this was the issue. Fan hub bearing came apart. Stick around, let me take it off and get you an even closer look. So the fix on this one, I'm gonna replace the fan clutch and hub assembly and retest. If not already doing so, make sure you like and follow me for more tips.